In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Notion formulas. If you want to clean up long decimals and make your database look more polished, the round function in Notion is a quick and useful tool to know. It helps turn a number with decimal places into the nearest whole number, which can make calculations easier to read at a glance. To get started, open the Notion database where you want to use the formula. Make sure you already have a number property in your table, since the formula will reference that value. The round function works by taking a number and returning the closest whole number based on standard rounding rules. In your formula field, type the function round open bracket closed bracket. This is the basic structure you'll use anytime you want Notion to round a value. The parentheses are important because that's where the number or expression goes. Think of the function as a wrapper that tells Notion exactly what action to perform. Next, enter the formula round open bracket prop open bracket number closed bracket. This tells Notion to take the value from the property called number and round it automatically. If the value includes decimals, Notion will convert it to the nearest whole number. For example, a value ending in 0.5 or higher will round up, while a value below 0.5 will round down. That makes this especially helpful when you are working with averages, prices, scores, or any calculation that doesn't need a long decimal result. As you enter the formula, double-check that the property name inside the quotation marks matches your number column exactly. If your property has a different name, simply replace number with the correct one. Small typing differences can cause the formula not to work. So accuracy matters here. Once the formula is in place, Notion will calculate the rounded result automatically for every row in your database. This can save time and keep your workspace more organized, especially when you want a simpler view of your data, and that's it. By using round open bracket prop open bracket number closed bracket, you can quickly round values in a Notion formula and make your numbers easier to read. It's a small change, but it can make your database feel much cleaner and more professional.